All right, I got here a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. Customer complaint is there's a misfire on cylinder number 3. So I can see he changed the plugs, and I think he swapped the coils. So let me just. That's a dead miss. What I want to do is. Just because he already looked at the coil and plugs, and I'm assuming, you know, he knows what he's doing, this guy. He's pretty good. So I'm just going to unplug all of them. I just want to hear the engine. I could look at a diagram and find the fuse, but this is easier. All right, so now let's, okay, I'm gonna go crank it. Now you listen. I don't know if you can hear that, but it clearly has a dead cylinder. All right, it's definitely a dead cylinder. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna, step number 1, just stick a borescope in the cylinder. Just see if I see anything obvious. And, you know, before I start really doing anything extra. What I'm gonna use is this Kaiweets camera. They sent it to me, and I was pretty impressed with it. Now, the thing with it is, I really have an articulating borescope, but this one is cheaper. It's a little smaller screen. The head is not bad. It's not the thinnest, but it's pretty good for the price. It's around like $100. But what I like about it is the articulation goes all the way very easily. My other one, I have a test long, which is good. It just like goes, like, a lot of times we'll just get stuck here and you just like push it a little bit, and here it goes all the way around very easily, and it videos, and it's very clear. So I'm gonna use it for here. What I'm gonna do is just gonna undo the plug over there. All right, let's pop this out. Spark plug socket. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of fuel in here. Well, there's also unplugged, so that doesn't mean anything, but okay. All right, let's turn this thing on. All right, it comes with like some heads you could put on the top, like a magnet or a mirror, but see that? It's very clear. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I could record the thing. So let's go to, how do I record? Menu. It switches it to a recorder, and then I push this button. All right, now I'm recording. All right, I'm gonna go in here. There is the piston. Something on it. Now I'm going all the way down, and I'm going to articulate up. And now let's take a peek at these valves. All right, so here's one valve. I'm going to turn it. Oh my gosh, is that a crack? Right there, that looks like a crack. See that? Right there, it's a cracked valve. I keep losing it because I'm a little too, the piston's still a little too close, so it's hard for me to figure out which way I'm going, but yeah, right there, that's definitely a crack in one of the valves. That's crazy. I don't know, these days articulating boroscopes are a must. I just want to get a better picture of it. Let me just crank the engine. Let's see if we're farther. I think we're further. Are we? No, articulate. Yeah, we're further. Good, I got a better view. which valve was it? Right there, that valve right there. See that? Right there is a crack in the valve. That is cool. I think this customer is gonna fix this himself. It's his type of job. He's gonna, I don't know what needs to be done, but I'm done over here. This camera, I'm really liking this camera. I love how it articulates good and it's really clear. It's a C charger, which is good. It comes with a memory card. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description. They told me that it's available on Amazon, and they also said the cheapest way I think is through their website. They're gonna give me a code, a discount code. So I'll put them both there, whichever one you want. All right, thanks for watching.